Hello everyone, welcome back to this new video. Today in this video we will learn about nouns. Noun is the most important topic for our English grammar. So without English grammar we can't speak English and we can't write English. Okay, so noun is a most important factor. So let's learn about nouns. Okay, so in this video we will learn about types of nouns and how to use nouns in sentences and what's the mistakes we have done in using nouns. Okay, so if you are new on the channel, then subscribe the channel to see more videos like this. So let's get started. So first of all guys, let's see nouns. So first of all, let's see and what's the definition of noun. So definition is noun is word used to identify person, place, thing or idea. Okay, so what is noun? Noun means person, place, thing or idea, name. Okay, so nouns are one of the most fundamental parts of speech and form the building blocks of sentences in the English language. Okay guys, so I hope you guys understand the definition of nouns. Nouns means noun is a word that used to identify person, place, thing or idea. Nouns are one of the most fundamental parts of speech, form of the building blocks of sentence in the English language. So this is the definition. So let's see our next types of nouns. Okay, types of nouns. So without types of nouns we can't understand what is noun. So you can easily understand, but without knowing identification you can't have clarity. Okay, so let's see one by one. So first type of noun is proper noun and second is common noun. So these nouns are very common for using. You can use these type nouns everywhere. Okay, so proper nouns mean names specific like people, place, organization or things. Proper names like people, place, organization or things always begins with capital letter. Always begins with capital letters. That is called proper noun. For example, Johan, London, Microsoft, Eiffel Tower. Okay, so Johan is a people noun, London is a place, Microsoft is a organization, and Eiffel Tower is a thing. Okay, so you can understand what is noun or proper noun. Okay, proper noun means specific name like people, place, thing. Okay, so for example, Johan, London, Microsoft, Eiffel. Next type is common noun. Common noun means, so you always think about, you always remember, always begins with capital letters. Proper noun. Okay, so common noun not capitalized unless they begins a sentence. Okay, this is most important thing here. I have seen many people, they are doing mistake like capitalization unless they begin a sentence. For example, boy, city, company, building. Okay, so these are all common nouns. Okay, so general names for person, a place, thing or idea. General names for person, thing, idea or things. Okay, so there, so we can say that is common noun. Okay, let's see next type. So next type means third concrete noun and fourth is abstract noun. Concrete nouns and fourth abstract noun. So let's see, concrete nouns means names things that can perceived by five senses. Okay, five senses means sight, smell, touch, taste and hearing. Okay, so they are all concrete nouns. For example, apple, dog, music, perfume. Okay, So apple, site, dog, music, perfume. So we can say they are all concrete nouns. Okay. Fourth is abstract noun. Abstract nouns means names, ideas, qualities or state that cannot be seen or touched. Okay. So names like idea, qualities or states that cannot be seen or touched. Okay, abstract noun. For example, love, freedom, beauty and happiness. They are all abstract nouns here. Okay, so I hope you guys understand. Abstract nouns means they are not we cannot see or touch. Okay, concrete nouns, things name can be perceived by five senses like sight, eyes, or say, taste, hearing, etc. So let's see our next type of nouns. So next here, fifth type of noun is collective nouns, and sixth is countable nouns. So collective nouns refers a group of people or animal or things considered as a single unit. They are all collective nouns. Okay. So collective nouns means refers to a group of people, animal or things considered as a single unit. For example, team, flock, class, family. Okay. In family, there are many mm, people and like class, there are many of more than one students included. So you can see six is countable nouns. Countable nouns means names things that can be counted. Names things that can be counted like singular or singular. Can use articles like a, an or the. Okay, so can use article like a, an or the. For example, book or books, car, cars, children. So they are all countable nouns because we can say they are singular or singular. So they are singular singular also. So we can say they are countable nouns. Let's see next type of nouns. So next, uncountable nouns and compound nouns. Uncountable nouns name things that cannot be counted individually. Okay, things names that cannot be counted individually. They are all uncountable nouns. Usually do not have a singular form. Okay, like water, rice, furniture, information. They are all uncountable noun. Okay, so next is compound nouns. Compound nouns means consist of two or more than words combined to create a single noun. Consist of two or more words combined to create a single noun. Okay, can be written as separate words, hyphenated or single word. Okay, for example, two space mother-in-law was stop. Okay, so they are all compound nouns. Okay guys, I hope you guys understand uncountable nouns and compound nouns. If you have any kind of doubt, please write in the comment box. So let's see our next type. So next our topic is function of nouns in a sentence. Function of nouns in a sentence. So let's see one by one. This topic is very important for us. Okay, so let's concentrate. First is subject of the sentence. Subject of the sentence, like the noun that performs the action. The noun that performs the action. Okay, for example, the cat chase the mouse. Okay, the cat is a noun like common noun. Okay, so cat is a common noun here. Next, object of the sentence. Object of the sentence. The noun that receives the action. The noun that receives the action. For example, the boy kicked the ball. The boy kicked the ball. So here is the ball is a noun. Okay. Next, predicate nouns. Predicate nouns means follows a linking verb and renames the subject. Follows the linking verbs and remains the subject. For example, Sarah is a teacher. Sarah is a teacher. So they are all predicate noun. Okay. Next, object of a preposition. Object of a preposition like follows a preposition and completes a prepositional phrase. Like the book is on the table. The book is on the table. So object of a preposition. So there are on of preposition here. The table is a noun here. So follows the preposition and complete prepositional phrases. Complete preposition on the table is an object of a preposition. Okay. So next, positive. Okay. Appositive. Okay. Appositive means a noun or noun phrase that remains another noun right beside it. Noun or a noun or noun phrase that renames another noun right beside it. For example, my friend, a talented musician, plays the guitar. My friend, a talented musician, plays the guitar. So, guys, I hope you guys understand function of noun in a sentence. Function means how to use and which there are multiple types of use in a sentence of nouns like as a subject or object or predicate nouns and object of a preposition and appositive. Okay, so I hope you understand they are all uses of nouns in a sentence. Next is possessive nouns. Possessive nouns means there are 3 points here, so you can use and you can understand easily. Like shows ownership or possession. Shows ownership or possession. Next, typically performed by adding an apostrophe and s, okay, of to the noun. Next, for example, Johan's book. Johan's book. So there are, you see, Johan's, the apostrophe for ownership or possessions. So Johan's book, like the children's toys. So children's toys, you can see apostrophe here s. Okay, so they are all shows possessive nouns. Okay, so let's see next. So I hope this is very important point here. So you remember. Let's see next. Next is noun forms and modifications. Noun forms and modifications. So let's see. So singular or singular forms and irregular singular forms, gender specific nouns. Okay, so like singular or singular forms, singular means one and singular more than one. Okay, so singular nouns refer one person or one place or one thing or one idea. Okay, so that is called singular nouns. And singular noun refers to more than one. More than one often have s or es added. Okay, so they are all singular nouns. Like for example, dog or dogs, church and churches. Okay, church means singular, churches means singular, and dogs means singular, and dog means singular. So they are form of singular or singular nouns. Next, irregular singular forms. Irregular singular forms like Some nouns have irregular pengular forms. Some nouns have irregular pengular forms. Irregular pengular forms like child or children, foot, feet, mouse, mice. So they are irregular form because we we can't say they are same. We can't say because they are different form of singular and singular forms like child or children, foot or fit, mouse or mice. Okay, next, gender specific nouns. Gender specific nouns means refers a male or female. Gender specific means male or female. Okay, for example, actor, actress, princess, princess. Okay, actor, actress, prince, princess. Okay, so they are gender specific nouns here. Okay, so this is female and male, actress for female and actor for male. Okay, so they are form of noun and you can modify nouns like singular to singular and like male to female. Okay, so let's see our next point. Our next point is also important here. So uses of nouns in a sentence. Uses of noun in sentences. Okay, so let's see article with nouns and adjective with nouns. Articles with nouns and adjective with nouns. So articles means like a, an or the are used before noun. Okay, so how to use articles with nouns? So we have to use all articles like a, an and the before the nouns. Okay, so a and the used before nouns and a and are used with singular or countable nouns. An are used with singular or countable nouns and the is used with specific nouns whether singular or singular. Okay, the used with specific nouns whether singular or singular, but an are used with singular or countable nouns only. Okay, so next, adjective with nouns. Adjective with nouns. Adjective describe modify nouns. Adjective describe modify nouns like the red car sped down the road. The red car sped down the road. So red car, that is adjective. Car means noun here, so adjective red car sped down the road. Okay, I hope you guys understand what is noun and what types of nouns and how to use in a sentence and fundamental on how to use in sentence forms and modifications, etc. If you have any kind of doubt, please write in the comment box and see you in my next video very soon. If you are new on this channel, then subscribe this channel to see more videos like this.